This is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Edge Titanium. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, rear park sensing with that lovely backup camera, roof spoiler, got the nice trim, the silver trim, and the black trim along this vehicle with blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors. We got a lovely remote start on this vehicle as well, with license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with quite a bit of cargo space. You do get hooks and doodads for all your cargo necessities. You can collapse your last row with that 12-volt. Get a light back here as well, with the additional storage below, with a spare tire. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior with some quilted accents, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back with leathering on the door, rear vents, storage, 2 USB-Cs, and 110-volt with cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat with some storage below, plenty of storage in the door, with powered windows, mirrors, locks, memory seat for up to 3 drivers with that upgraded B&O sound system, lights, liftgate, traction, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 75,369 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with your toggle for your right-hand screen. You got your media controls right here, phone, playback, play forward, with your voice, mute, volume, cruise control, and toggle for your screen. For your left-hand side, with display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driving assist, and settings. We also do get your entertainment and phone settings on the other side. Gear select, parking brake, auto stop, auto start, park sensing, storage, and cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, and tons of storage below. We got some max temp hazards, playback, play forward, tune, volume, and your backup camera. Climate controls at the bottom with heated front seats and dual climate, storage below, and on the dash with a garage door transmitter. We got the add a phone section, which is pretty nice, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. Fave channels can be found right here. All your apps can be found here, or any apps you may have downloaded, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and your entertainment, because you do get a little games you can play with this vehicle. And all your vehicle settings just right here. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8323, and you can head on to PG Ford or give us a call.